Hi, welcome to my new video. We will be doing an amazing color grading technique in Lightroom Mobile. All you can do is follow after me, or you can download the free DNG. Link in the description. Watch the video till the end to get the password, which will be appearing on the top right corner. Like this. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for my upcoming videos, and give your valuable comments below. Let's start with this image. First, let's go to Lights panel. Exposure -0.52 and contrast to 62. Highlights straight down to -100. Shadows to 22. Now, the whites and blacks to -52 and +50. Now, go to Tone Curves and select red color and follow my steps. Temperature to 2. Tint to -4. Vibrance to 26. Saturation -30. Now we need to change color mix of different colors. Now select Effects panel. Texture to 4. Clarity to 11. Go to details. Sharpening to 12. Noise reduction to 18. Color noise reduction to 51. Exposure to -0.72. Take contrast to 19. Highlights to -17. Shadows to 11. Whites and blacks to -4 and 12. Temperature -43. Tint to -34. Now saturation to 49.